Society, what's up? Welcome back to King Cut with us. I'm Sabrina.
I'm Brittany.
I'm Katie. Today we're going to show you how to make laap.
So this is essentially a minced meat and herb salad. You can make it with chicken, beef, fish, buffalo, pretty much any kind of meat. Some people will even use ground meat to make it easier. Today we're going to show you the recipe for using cooked chicken, because again, you could also use this with raw meat.
For this recipe, you're going to need chicken liver, hearts and gizzards, long beans, green onion, cilantro, bean sprouts, mint leaves, shallots, lime leaves, banana blossom, garlic, some red Thai chili peppers, fish sauce, oil, chicken stock powder, salt, and our main ingredient is a roasted rice powder. We have a homemade one here, but you can also buy it in store, and it looks like this. That is key to make your laap.
Let's get started.
So while our chicken is in the oven, we're going to be slicing up our chicken gizzards, hearts, and livers.
Okay, so after you're done slicing up your chicken hearts and gizzards, you're going to want to mince up a shallot and 4 cloves of garlic. Alright, everything's ready for you to cook and fry up your chicken hearts and gizzards, so we're going to add a little bit of oil. And then you can add your garlic and shallot. Okay, so after a minute, after it's all browned, you're going to add your chicken hearts, liver, and gizzards. So this step is completely optional. If you don't like liver and hearts, leave it out. Same with like us using boneless, skinless chicken. If you want, you could cook a whole chicken with the skin and add that. It's just obviously gonna be more fatty, but it's all preference. So to substitute people traditionally using MSG, we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Alright, once that's all cooked, you're just going to turn off your stove and set it aside to cool. When you're cutting your lime leaves, you want to cut them up very, very, very small because they are incredibly strong and you don't want to really see them or get an overpowering taste in your salad.
once the chicken is cooled down, it's mincing time. We want to mince the crap out of this chicken until it is pretty much unrecognizable. So, this is gonna be the longest, most tedious part of this recipe, which is why a lot of people who are craving Laap tend to switch to ground meat, because you can skip this whole part and have yourself an easy recipe. But this is a traditional way, and that's what we're gonna show you. So let's get to mincing.
So now our meat is all minced. Make sure you wash your hands, and we're gonna add the ingredients into our salad. Add 4 tablespoons of roasted rice powder, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. We're gonna use a full lime. I'm gonna squeeze it in. So now let's start adding the lime leaf in. Also, we're gonna take the lemongrass, and then we're gonna take this blossom. Okay, now we're done mixing our ingredients. We want to have a taste.
Need some more
It's
lime.
good, but I would like, yeah, more lime.
Okay, so now, once you have a taste of your Laap, if you need to add more lime or fish sauce, this is the time to add them in. Okay, so I finished adding another lime. We're ready to add the rest of the vegetables into our mix.
All right, there you have it. As you can see, this recipe makes quite a bit, so enough for a party tray. Probably feed 10 to 20 people, depending on if you have other things to eat. You're gonna serve this with lots of fresh veggies, so lettuce, cucumber, Thai eggplant, sticky rice,
Yummy.
endless possibilities.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.
This is definitely, like, if you're thinking of making any of our recipes, this is the one you should be making. Without the sticky rice, this would be such an healthy meal. It's so refreshing, it's so light, and fresh, like, and you can eat it cold, like you do eat it cold, so you can put it in the fridge and eat it for days.